Imported vehicles raising to tariffs are going to go ahead and make your auto loan a lot more expensive.
No, God, please, no, no!
So, if you are not ready credit wise, you came to the right channel. I'm going to go ahead and help you out. I'm going to provide you with 6 tips that you can go ahead and start today to get yourself in a better position for you to get approved for that auto loan if your credit score isn't the best. So let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and start with credit utilization. Credit utilization is a huge problem. Why? Because a lot of Americans are in debt. Yep, including me. Including me. You know, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm also part of that. I'm the problem also.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
But I'm working on it. I was able to pay off a couple debts, so haha, yay, yay for me. Okay, hands up in the chat. Anyway, so yeah, so credit utilization, as I was saying, so credit utilization is going to hold your credit score back, and from it being real low. So you have to make sure you attack that, so it can go ahead and help you increase your credit score. The next one is going to go ahead and be amounts owed. Amounts owed is the second biggest factor when it comes to your credit score. So you know how I talked about your credit utilization? Obviously, that means that you are in debt. So the reason why your credit score is high or low, what am I saying? Low is because your credit utilization. It can be other loans like a personal loan, auto loan, maybe student loans, maybe if you have buy here, pay here, like Klarna or Affirm, that will go ahead and hurt your credit score. So making sure you pay down those debts will go ahead and make sure to increase your credit score. I told you, I got you guys. Okay, so the next one that's going to go ahead and be important is, in case if everything all fails, it's going to go ahead and having a co-signer. So if you're able to get a qualifying, that's the key word, qualifying, you will be able to increase your chances of being approved. Make sure this is someone that potentially lives with you. You've had already joint credit. It can't be a friend or anything of that nature. Just because when you're going through the loan process, again, I'm a person that's in the industry, this is what I do, that can go ahead and trip you up and not let you get approved. If you need some more guidance, go ahead and put it down in the comments. I got you. So that is very important, just in case if you don't have just in case if you can't qualify on your own, that will go ahead and help you. And the next one is going to go ahead and be, this is a little bit outside of your credit, but down payment. Down payment is going to play a part. So making sure that you have a decent size payment, because again, these cars are going to go ahead and be increasing. So what that means, you're going to need to borrow more. So making sure you have a decent size payment, that'll be definitely great. I would say if you finance more than 100% in the value, at least try to have at least anything over the value, so you can go ahead and increase your chances of being approved for a loan. All right, the next one is going to go ahead and be hire me. I am a credit consultant, and pretty much I've been doing this for 10 years for auto loans, personal loans, mortgages, RVs, jet skis, approving all sorts of loans, and have a pretty good indication of when it comes to building your credit, because again, it requires me to know that if I'm going to be approving. So taking advantage of me, I'll go ahead and put my information in the description below, so you can go ahead and get in contact with me. I'm able to go ahead and assist you with that. And the final one. Yeah, baby. So the final one that will make or break is going to be your overall credit history. So that means if you have errors or things that are reporting incorrectly on your credit report, getting that disputed as quickly as possible. If I am telling you one quick way for you to go ahead and get declined immediately for a auto loan and for your credit score to be being affected, it is going to be things that are reporting incorrectly. So making sure you take care of that, you will go ahead and um you'll go ahead and increase those chances and prepare yourself more. And then again, if you need some assistance with your credit, I can take a look at your credit and give you a determination if you're going to be approved or not. Again, I do this for a living, so
Shut up and take my money.
I uh I approved like today. I approved. No, I didn't. Crazy story. So there was this guy that applied to get a auto loan. It was an $85,000 loan for for um a Corvette, right? So I was looking through this credit. I'm like, okay, great, great, great. You know, positive pay. Okay, okay, okay. I get towards the bottom of looking at his credit report, and I see that he is currently in a bankruptcy. And I'm like, and you want an $85,000 auto loan? What in your mind do you think I'm going to give you a auto loan in an open bankruptcy? And on top of that, he never had any loans that were comparable to that high of amount. Even though he's putting down 10,000, that means nothing. So you, and again, I'll go over that in the next video. So, uh, but yeah, so wait, give me a minute. Oh no, what? Ah, no. Okay, hold on, guys. I've been waiting for this email because again, I told you I'm in the industry, so I got people. He was able to get back to me about wanting to see what they were going to do about these tariffs. Let's see. Give me a moment, give me a moment. Come on, email. Hurry up. Okay. Alright, let's take a look here real quick. Okay, hey George, here's a response to what you wanted to know. Lending policies changing. Key lending changes effective after April. Oh shoot! Minimum credit score for imported vehicles raising to, oh shoot! Wait. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, if you saw, you saw. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna need to break this down in another video. I'm gonna go ahead and be making another video. Oh god, I was already working on this one, but this is just gonna add more to it. Okay, so this is a guy that I know within the industry. I've been, close friends with him, and um and I sent him an email about, hey, I was like, are your lending policies changing? And he was like, there's something maybe in the works. He told me give him a couple days and he'll get to me, and get back to me. And I was like, okay, great. So we received it. So go ahead and stay tuned for the next video. I'm making a follow up to this one, which is going to go ahead and be about how to prepare yourself from the lender side. So I'm going to give you the updates of how the auto loan industry or loans with autos have been changing throughout this with how the economy is going. So go ahead and stay tuned for the next one. Yo, I'm hyped. Go ahead and put comments below. Let me know any questions you have, and have you recently been declined for a loan in general? Put it down in the comments. I'll see you guys on the next one.